Hey everybody, in this video we are going to simplify the trig expression you see on your screen right now, 1 over the product of 1 minus cosine theta times 1 plus cosine theta. Our goal is to get it down to a single trigonometric expression, no denominators if possible, and maybe even a constant, using these situations, the fundamental trig identities, which include reciprocal identities, quotient identities, and Pythagorean identities. So, sorry. What do we have going on here? Well, I see these two expressions, 1 minus cosine and 1 plus cosine, which we know to be conjugates. We know the vocab word because we are the smartest. They are conjugates. And when you multiply, this camera is just the actual worst. When you multiply conjugates with each other, when we multiply these binomials together, we would do so using distribution, or more, I'm so sorry guys, or more specifically, we would use distribution, FOIL, multiplication, whatever you want to call it. And when you multiply conjugates, every single time you multiply conjugates, I promise, you will get something called the difference of two squares. Your outer and inner terms will cancel out. One is positive, one is negative. It becomes 0. So really all we care about are first times first, last times last, as a more efficient way to do it. So that is how I'm going to start this one. So I will have 1 over, I'm foiling, okay, for lack of a better word, and it's not really a verb, you get it, but I'm doing that because I could already foresee that it will become 1 minus cosine squared. And that is part of the rearranged Pythagorean identity. So 1 times 1 is 1. Outer positive cosine theta. Inner is negative cosine theta. Last times last is negative cosine or minus cosine squared theta. From there, the Pythagorean identity says we have sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta is 1. If I subtract cosine squared theta from both sides, I will get that 1 minus cosine squared theta equals sine squared theta. Oh, I'm not even on the screen. All right, so I will get 1 minus cosine squared theta just like that. Not done yet. From here, can I fit more is the question. All right, maybe. All right, there we go. So what can I do that with that? Well, I'm going, so this, we went from using the Pythagorean identity. Now I'm going to use the reciprocal to rewrite this as cosecant squared theta. 1 over sine and 1 over sine is 1 over sine squared. And 1 over sine each are cosecant, and cosecant times cosecant is cosecant squared. The end. There you have it. If you're happy and you know it, thumbs it up. If not, thumbs down. Questions, comments, concerns, make a request in the comment section. Links to plenty of other examples all listed out, typed out what the example is, and each link in the description box below. Playlist and next video coming up on the screen, probably now. And that's it for now. Adios.